Welcome back, everybody, to TMT. Today we're going to be doing an install on this house. It's never had any actual central heating and air conditioning. All it had was this old swamp evap cooler with 120 volts. But that stuff doesn't really keep up when it's like 100 degrees. So we're going to change it out. There's the old one. There's Brian. And we actually need to run power from the box, which is all the way down here, right there. We're going to run power in the attic to the new Bosch 18 Seer package heat pump. We'll poke out through that jack, but that's all going to be changed out. And we need to cut in all new cans, because this is just, as you can probably see in there, there's only one diffuser at the bottom. So we're actually going to cut in all new cans into every room, put in a new return. I mean, it's a lot of work. So follow along. As you can see, this is the only diffuser in the house for that cooler. And then we go into the bedrooms. No cans at all. So we're gonna cut in all new cans into this house. All right, a lot of work, but somebody's got to do it. All right, y'all, so fast forwarded quite a bit. Cut in the new jack already there. You see it at the bottom there. Put in our new return, our new plenum box, new elbow, crane operators here, and we're about to go ahead and set it into place. But let me give you a different angle here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, that's it. Let's go on to the next step. Let's put it in place. All right, y'all. So there is the new can, grill, flexible ductwork in every single room. There's a new return. It's plenty of return for this very small home. It's about 1,000 square feet. And sometimes we have to use these curved blade grills and cans, because there's no space in the attic to put on a four-way closer to, you know, the edge of the exterior of the building. But that's what you got to do sometimes. You know, preferably we would have them on the exterior, but sometimes you just can't do that. Here's the other one for a bedroom. Here's another one for another bedroom. And then, of course, the one in the bathroom and everything, right? There it is. Come on, focus. Yep. So, yep, there it is. And here's a good idea if you don't have one and you would like to do it. Here we come into the garage. I'm looking straight up because I want to conserve the privacy of the home, right? You can do a vent in the garage, but it has to be fire rated, okay? Say, you know, it's not going to be temperature controlled, obviously. It's not a zone system. It could be, but it's not. Here's a sensor. But at least you can have some residual heating and cooling in the garage if you wanted to. And again, the fire rated, it's called a fire damper. It's a special damper that when it has enough heat, it senses enough heat, it will close, therefore containing any possible fire. And of course, the sensor kind of tells you how that room is doing. See, garage, 82 degrees, not bad. So that's much better than having a 90 or even 100 degree garage, right? With just a little bit of residual cooling. So that's an option. And this is the electrical that I had to do, right? So inside of the box, I put in a new breaker, ran the high voltage, bent the conduit. Nice. I bent the conduit, put on a weatherproof box, and you know, the high voltage goes to the new system, because remember, nothing was really installed in this home. The line that it had for the cooler, that was a 120 line, and it was piggybacked off of some lighting, so that's never a good idea, so I removed that. So yep, there's the electrical portion. All right, everyone, well, there it is. It was a very, very long day, but mission complete. Got the new elbow. We came down with a supply drop and came down with a new return. Again, everything had to be brand new because this house never had any air conditioning at all, believe it or not. We are in the high country, so this is not Phoenix, so that makes sense as to why they didn't need it. But I mean, you know, it's definitely a luxury in this part of the state. But I mean, there's some people that had, that one looks like it's 10 years old. Guys across the street have an air conditioner. So this guy was kind of like the odd man out, and well, not anymore. So let's give it a kind of a quick look around. Can you believe how quiet this thing is? I love these things. And here we have, very important as always, disconnect with a surge protector, right? New stand, nice custom P-trap. If you know about the Bosch, they require a custom P-trap. New disconnect, or sorry, new thermostat wire. Again, everything had to be brand stinking new, because there had never been anything, you know what I mean? Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. What do you guys think? Not bad, huh? As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. I may actually sit up here and watch the sunset. It's beautiful out here. All right, y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.